Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop autoplay videos on Facebook. So, if you do not have the Facebook app installed on your phone, you can do that by going to Google Play Store and getting it downloaded. So, many a times when we log on Facebook, we find out that videos play automatically, okay, and that consumes a lot of data, especially if you are in a third world country. So to turn off autoplay video on Facebook, all you need to do is to log on Facebook with your details. Log on Facebook. As you can see, the video is playing automatically without my permission. So to stop this, first of all, click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the upper right part of the navigation bar. Click on the menu icon. Now once the menu opens, scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down and click on media. Click on media. Now here you can now see the autoplay option. Okay. Change it from on mobile data and Wi-Fi to never autoplay videos. So click on the never autoplay videos checkbox. Click on it. And by doing this, you have stopped autoplay videos on Facebook. So the videos will no longer play automatically. The videos will never autoplay until you click on the play button. So let us check and see. So as you can see now, the videos are no longer playing. They will only play if I click on the play button. As you can see. As you can see, so this is how to stop autoplay video on Facebook. If you found my video helpful, kindly click on the like button to help the algorithm, subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you for watching.